بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. ویلکم ٹو مدنی اسلامک اکیڈمی قرآن تجوید کورس آن لائن. Viewers, today we will start our lesson number 9 from Madani Qaida, the letters of Leen. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. What are the letters of Leen? How many letters of Leen are there? How do we pronounce the letters of Leen? All these questions we will find out the answer of these questions in this lesson. How many letters of Leen are there? There are two letters of Leen. First is Ya Leen and second is Waw Leen. What is Ya Leen? When there is a zabar before a ya sakin, then it becomes Ya Leen. For example, Jeem Ya zabar Jai. Here Ya is sakin letter because Ya has sakin sign or jazm sign on it. Therefore, there is zabar before ya sakin. This is zabar before ya sakin. Then it becomes Ya Leen. What is Waw Leen? When there is zabar before Waw sakin, it becomes Waw Leen. Here Waw is sakin letter because Waw has jazm sign or sakin sign on it. Therefore, there is a zabar. This is zabar before Waw sakin. It becomes Waw Leen. How do we pronounce the letters of Leen? We pronounce the letters of Leen gently in an Arabic accent without any stretching nor sudden pausing the voice. It means we are not allowed to stretching or we are not allowed to sudden pausing the voice. When we pronounce letters of Leen in an Arabic accent, we do not allow stretching and we do not allow sudden pausing the voice. How do we spell the letters of Leen? Let's see the examples. Ba, Waw, Zabar, Bow. Ba, Ya, Zabar, Bai. Bow, Bai. Here, example, this is the example of Waw Leen because there is zabar before Waw sakin. Here Waw is sakin letter because Waw has jazm sign or sakin sign on it. And this is the example of Ya Leen because there is zabar before ya sakin. This is Ya Leen. Here Ya is sakin letter here because Ya has jazm sign or sakin sign on it. Let's see the more example of letters of Leen, how we spell and how we pronounce letters of Leen. The first example is Ba, Waw, Zabar, Bow. ba ya zabar bai, bau bai. This is the example of waw leen, because there is zabar before waw sakin. Here waw is sakin letter here because waw has jazm sign or sakin sign on it. We pronounce it as ba, waw, zabar, bow. And the second is the example of ya leen, because there is zabar before ya sakin. Here ya is sakin letter because ya has jazm sign or sakin sign on it. How we spell and how we pronounce like as ba ya zabar bai. Let's see the more example of waw leen. Ta waw zabar taw, ta ya zabar tai, taw tai. This is the example of waw leen, because there is zabar before waw sakin. Here waw is sakin letter because waw has jazm sign or sakin sign on it. And the letters of leen we pronounce in Arabic accent without stretching and without sudden pausing the voice. We are not allowed to stretch the voice and we are not allowed to sudden pausing the voice. Recite like this: ta waw zabar taw, ta ya zabar tai. This is the example of ya leen, because there is zabar before ya sakin. Here ya is sakin letter because ya has jazm sign or sakin sign on it. How we pronounce? We pronounce without stretching the voice and without sudden pausing the voice. This is the example of ya leen. How we recite and how we spell, let's recite like this: ta ya zabar tai, taw tai. The next example of waw leen is tha waw zabar thaw, tha ya zabar thai, thaw thai. Here this is the example of waw leen because there is zabar before waw sakin, and here waw is sakin letter because waw has jazm sign or sakin sign on it. And this is the example of ya leen, because there is zabar before ya sakin. Here ya is sakin letter because ya has jazm sign or sakin sign on it. How do we recite? How do we spell? We do not allow to stretch the voice and we do not allow to sudden pausing the voice. Tha ya zabar thai, thaw thai. The next example of leen letters is Jim waw zabar jaw, Jim ya zabar jay, jaw jay. This is the example of waw leen because there is zabar before waw sakin. This is waw leen. And this is the example of ya leen. There is zabar before ya sakin. This is ya leen. We recite like this: Jim waw zabar jaw, Jim, ya zabar jay, jau, jay. The next example is waw leen, ha, waw, zabar haw, ha, ya, zabar hay, how, hay. We do not allow to stretch the voice, and we do not allow sudden pausing the voice in lean letters. Thanks for watching. In coming videos, inshallah, we will learn more example of letters of lean. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.